In this video, we're going to check out my review for the Halloween method. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my review on the Halloween method. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com and Coin, the Rockstar video marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. So the first thing I need you to do is to scroll down and look in the description and follow that first link. That's going to take you to my bonus page here, where you simply scroll down a little bit, look under the video, under the timer, and you're going to see some orange buttons on this page throughout that says Get the Halloween Method Now. Click that. That's going to lock in your bonuses or my bonuses in the back end for you inside of Warrior Plus. And I'm going to show you how to find that at the end of this video. So what is the Halloween method? So first of all, it has nothing to do with Halloween. It's just the theme, since Halloween is right around the corner. But it is some really good marketing stuff that you'll find inside the members area, which I'm going to take you in there in a little bit after we go over the sales page. So let's go over the sales page first. Okay, so the sales page reads, are you ready for something spooky? Learn how we make 100 every day using this method. So go ahead and watch this VSL right here. It's a little bit funny and you'll get a kick out of it. So before you click any one of these get here to instant access buttons, make sure to go to my bonus page and click any one of the orange buttons so that you can get my bonuses when you check out. All right. Okay, so here's some of Daud's screen earnings here. As you can see, Daud Islam right there in his Warrior Plus account. So that's what he uses. All the methods that he teaches, he uses personally. So this is pretty much what you're going to be getting inside right here. It's a 3-step process. More screen earnings here. Okay, here's some of the bonuses. So let's go over those. So you're going to get 5 action bonuses with this. 0 to 124 hours. That's a pretty cool bonus here. This is by Jono Armstrong. Bonus number 2 is 100 a day using free Facebook traffic. Bonus number 3 is 8 top high ticket programs. So you're going to be getting information on that, on using those 8 high ticket offers. Bonus number 4 is CPA income crusher. And bonus number 5 is easy passive paydays. Okay, some good bonuses in here. Okay, so you have a 30-day money back guarantee right here. More screen earnings. And that's about it. Okay, so this product is $12.95 at the time that I'm making this video right now, which is 3:15 p.m. on 10th, the 23rd of 2020. And I think that's about it, guys. Go ahead and read the sales page. There's not much on here to read, just a little bit. Daud's pages are always pretty simple and straightforward, so not much to read. So it shouldn't take you that long to go over this sales page on your own time. So yeah, that's pretty much the sales page, right? So let's go ahead now. I'm going to take you into the members area, and I also have access to the pro members area, which is the first upgrade. So I'm going to take you in there as well. So let's go into the front end version first. All right, so we're inside the Halloween method members area here for the front end. So you have a welcome video here, and under the first video for the welcome video, you have Elite Tigers Group YouTube channel. So if you want to subscribe to that. Okay, in the second module is the otherworldly overview. So it's just going to give you an overview of what the product's all about and a walkthrough of the members area here. Okay, so inside of this module here, spooked out training. Okay, all of these methods that he's going to talk about in this module here is going to be referred back to Animal Kingdom Anarchy, which is going to be each product that he created before. It's all in there. So you're going to learn all of that stuff, and all the resources is right here for you. Okay, but I'll just go over each one here. So Ghostly Introduction is going to go over the entire process here, learning the trick. So you're going to know that what we're doing here is going to be building a list, email marketing, right? So that's the basic idea of this, building lists to make commissions. So selecting a treat, you're going to get a choice between selecting the affiliate of this product to give away as a bonus, or the affiliate link to sell these and keep 100% commissions. Okay, so that's in there. Repeat like a zombie is going to show you how to promote and where to promote. So Black Cat, not Black Hat method. That's going to be talking about email marketing and the right way to do it. Be Witch or a Wizard. So he's going to show you like how to use giveaways to collect more leads and freak out your competition. This is a little method. He's going to show you how you could use other people to help build your list as well. Okay, so that's all the videos in that module. Inside the monster resources here, again, you're going to get Animal Kingdom Anarchy, so you're going to have access to that. You get free squeeze pages and the Halloween method squeeze pages as well. Okay, so I'm going to briefly show you what all the products are in Animal Kingdom Anarchy if you haven't heard of it yet. So here's all of his products right here, so you're going to get access to that. So this whole entire system here, you're going to be able to give away, guys, to build your list. Okay, all those products right here, plus some top marketing products as well in here. So a lot of good vendors in here, guys. I'm in here as well. iPod, a bunch of these guys I know. Dan, some of them I'm not familiar with. I know Eric, Bobby D, but yeah, all of these are top marketing vendors, guys, with great products in here for you. And all of this stuff you're going to be giving away to build your list. All right, so pretty cool. Okay, you have the chilling conclusion video in here. Broomstick bonuses, these are mentioned on the sales page, the 5 bonuses. Unearthly upgrades, if you want to get all the upgrades, if you pass through the funnel and you don't pick them up, you can get to them right here at any time. And of course the unadvertised bonuses in here. All right. Okay, so that concludes the front-end members area. Let's go ahead now and check out the pro version, which is the first upsell in this funnel. So we're inside the pro members area. So you're going to get a welcome video right here. And in the second module is the pro member benefits. So you're going to get bonus codes, 6 times super solo ads, free internet marketing resources, scarcity bar generator, countdown generator, exit pop-up generator, and 37 list building tips. And then of course you have a conclusion video in here. So that is the pro members area. And let me just say one thing in here. These solo ads he usually sells for $197. So you're getting a really good deal when you pick up this pro version. All right, so that concludes the pro version members area. So let's go ahead now and check out the upsells. The front end is the Halloween method. Now I think these prices are a little bit off. It says $14.95 with an $11.95 down sale. However, I think it's actually $9.95. Let me just show you right quick. If I go back to the sales page here and refresh it, and if I go like I'm gonna get out of the site, it's gonna bring this pop-up here. It says $9.95. So that's how you get this little discount if you wanna pick it up like that, just to let you know. So like I said, I don't think this is correct, but this might be what it's gonna be going up to. And this might be the down sale for the pop-up later after the launch. So anyway, you're gonna discover everything that I just showed you in the members area, which basically is going to show you how to make 100 per day, right? So upsell number 1 is the pro version here, as we just came from the members area. So this is $37 with a $17 down sale. And as I said, this $37 is a really good deal because those 6 solo ads that you're gonna get, that sells for $197 usually in some of his other products. So OTO number 2 is weekly done for you campaigns. So this is for $197 with a $97 down sale. And you're gonna get 3 done for you campaigns each and every week, including the done for you bonus page with a review video, the product demo, and 10 custom bonuses that are delivered for you. Okay, so this requires Commission Gorilla to use this upsell. So if you don't have Commission Gorilla, check in my video description of this video here and look for the Commission Gorilla link. I'll put it up on the screen right quick so you can see what it looks like. And go ahead and pick it up using my link, and I'm gonna give you my code so you can use my bonus template, right? If you like the way it looks and you want a template like that, just send me a receipt and then I'll send you that code and you can use it. But again, he's going to send you all of that stuff in here, some codes for all those bonus pages, but you're going to need Commission Gorilla. All right. So if you want my bonus page code as well, then go ahead and pick that up now. And the link is in the description and I'll go ahead and send that to you. All right. OTO number 3 is the Halloween method reseller rights. So this is $37 with a $17 down sale. So you're going to be able to sell the Halloween method as it was your own product and keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel. OTO number 4 4 is learn the hidden secrets of product launching. So this is $197 with a 97 down sale. So you're going to get to observe him while he goes through the whole process of launching a new product, so you can copy and do the same thing. And you're also going to be able to keep all of the buyer leads from the launch. And upsell number 5 is the VIP package. This is for $37 with a $17 down sale. And you're going to get VIP upgrades worth $64 each at all 25 of Dodd's sites that are in the MMO niche. Plus, you're going to be able to put a banner of your choice in the rotator at all of those 25 sites as well on a permanent basis. So they're going to stay there forever, right? So that's about it for the upsells here. So let's go ahead now and take a look at my bonuses. So remember, go ahead and make sure there's time left on these timers here that are on this page, and then go ahead and click any one of these orange buttons that say get the Halloween method now. Okay, and that's going to lock in your bonuses. Bonus number 1 is email marketing for beginners. You're going to learn how to decode and dissect an email so that you can emulate master copywriters. So you're going to discover how to understand email copywriting by dissecting the meaning of each line. You're going to learn the secrets of master copywriters by using the same tricks that I teach you in this training. You're going to discover how you can write like the masters by simply filling in the blanks in this training. And you're going to find out what to say in your emails that invokes the readers to take action and have a purpose. So this is pretty cool training. It's going to show you, I'm going to have like an email written on the screen, and it's going to have some little boxes that you have to fill in mentally as I talk to you. So you're going to have to think of what it means and what I said there. And then I'm going to fill in all the blocks at the end, and then we can go through that together. So it's pretty cool training, kind of neat. The way that I did this, it's a little bit different. Bonus number 2 is color psychology and marketing. So you're going to learn how to decode the colors and use them to your advantage when it comes to marketing. So you're going to discover how to understand what colors mean and how you can use them to increase profits. You're going to learn the secrets of the numbers game and the best combinations to use and make more sales. You're going to discover how you can learn from the pro copywriters free just by going through the junk in your mailbox. And you're going to find out what words to use in your offers that can make your visitors want to take action right now. So as you can see in this image right here, I'm holding up a brochure that I got from the mailbox, and we're going to talk about this throughout this training. We're going to talk about the price points, the color schemes, and you're even going to learn something about cotton. So it's really cool training. Alright, so bonus number 3 is autoresponder sequences and automations. Pretty much I take you into my autoresponder inside Get Response in here and show you how I have my sequences set up and how I have the automation set up so it automates everything for me so I don't have to do that much work. So it's pretty cool training there. Okay, and bonus number 4 is, of course, the Halloween Method 5 vendor bonuses that you've seen on the sales page. So to recap everything, act now and you're guaranteed these extra bonuses. Combine that $686 of extra value when you order through my link today. Again, make sure there's time left on this timer and go ahead and lock in your bonuses by clicking in this Get the Halloween Method Now buttons. So now you might be wondering, how do you find your bonuses? So let me show you right quick. So you simply scroll down a little bit further on the bonus page here, and you're going to see this says how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. So this product is on Warrior Plus, so if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, go ahead and create one now, and then come back and buy this product. Then you can go and log in to your account at Warrior Plus, click on the drop down tab next to your name, go ahead and choose purchase history. It's going to take you to step 2. Then you're going to look for the link, the Halloween Method. Click on that link. It's going to take you to the next page where you can access your purchase, and then you can click on the blue button here where you can access my affiliate bonuses. And that's how you find the bonuses inside of Warrior Plus. So hopefully this video helped you out. Go ahead and leave me some comments below on what you thought about it. And be sure to check out the free training I have in the description, as well as some advanced training in a webinar that you can check out as well. So that's going to conclude my review on the Halloween method. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helped you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com. And guys, happy marketing.